My name's Lucas. I'm here with Flourish Land Designs. That is my own business, and I'm 18 years old, and this is my first ever business vehicle. It is a 2004 GMC 2500 HD. It's got the 6.0 in it, so it's a real solid running engine. It's got 53,000 original miles on it. I mean, it may not look like it that well because it wasn't really taken care of that much. I think I'm about the third owner, and it really, as you can tell, it's a little rotted on the fenders, and the bed's a little rotted. But overall, the whole frame on this truck is solid. The interiors, it's been sitting a while, so it's got mice and all sorts of crap in it. So for this video, I'm gonna be taking you guys to the car wash. I'm gonna be running to the DMV. I gotta get this registered. I got insurance on the way in about a half hour, so I can start driving this and be safe. No worries at all. My business is a fully licensed and insured business in about a half hour or so. Right, so hopping right in here. Got the keys on the seat. Give you a nice cold start. It's not that cold today though. Don't really have any lights on the dash. Obviously these are just from starting it up. We only got the ABS. The previous owner said there was a reason why. I don't really remember exactly, but we got a bunch of stuff from all inside the heater core and all the stuff because there was mice in here, so they were trashing it up a little. This was all left. All this right here was all left from the owner, the previous owner, and this stuff is all mine. But the guy didn't really care to clean it out or make it really nice for selling purposes. But I can't complain because I got a great deal on this. It's got the dumper dog on the back, and I'll be able to lift this up and show you because I gotta empty the water anyways. But I just want to give you a good circle around, and she runs real well. The only thing that I have to fix, she's got a slight exhaust leak, which you guys can probably hear. So I do, as a matter of fact, I have 2 exhaust manifolds I picked up for 60 bucks, 30 bucks a piece. That is an absolute steal. They came off a 02 Southern truck, so I can't really complain, and they should work great. I just got to get gaskets and I got to get bolts. I'm gonna get stainless steel bolts because, as you know, in Michigan, if you live around here, it's pretty bad in the winter, so I don't want this to happen again. And the whole drive line is real nice, so I'm gonna try and keep this truck real nice, and maybe once I start getting more money, be able to get new fenders on this thing, maybe a new bed. But here, I'm gonna show you guys the dump bed on this thing. This thing works really well, and it's practically brand new. The guy really never used it, so all you do is pull this, and then you pull the other side, the latches, and then you just take it down, and then I'll be able to, there's a switch inside that's really easy, and you just turn it left, and she starts going. And yeah, look at that. Look at that. Works real well. So, and that's all the way maxed out. This thing goes up real high. Be perfect for mulch deliveries, perfect for any brush or small purpose landscape jobs or any brush clearing. Because if I'm at a job and I got a few things, I don't have to worry about throwing it in this bed and not being able to just dump it, because I've dealt with that before, and it's very difficult trying to get stuff out of a bed and cleaning it out, and you damage the bed a lot. I know this isn't that pretty, but it eliminates a lot of problems. It makes life easier, makes life faster, more efficient, better money making. So be able to lower this, you just flip the switch, she goes right down, just like that. It's that dumper dog by Buyers, and it's up to 6,000 pound capacity for weight, which is amazing. It'll get the job done every time. She'll be working great. All right, everybody, so it's the next day. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to get insurance yesterday, but I do have it now. I got all my information, I printed it out, so we're good to go to the DMV. This thing's purring like a kitten. We're ready to go, and I'll see you there. All right, everyone, we're hopping on the highway here. I just want to show you guys how this thing drives. She's real smooth. She has a little bit of vibration here and there because of his plow, but she revs up real good, shifts real smooth. Can't really complain. She does great. Gets all the way up to 70, no problem. And hey, it's not like a beat up work truck. It's all the transmission and engine. It runs real well. 53,000 miles. Hey, it proves it's a real original mile truck. It's not rolled back or anything. So she drives real good. She does have a little pull to the right, but hey, that's nothing. Little TLC can help out in a few days or so that I'll be able to work on. So all right, so I'm here at the Secretary of State. I just got parked, hit a bit of traffic on the way here. Not too bad, nothing out of the ordinary, but I'm gonna get this thing registered and then I'll see you in a bit. I'll be on the way to the car wash after this and get this thing clean. So I'm not sure what time I got here, but it's probably been about 2.5, maybe 3 hours, but I kind of expected that because I didn't have an appointment. So I was able to work in and be a walk-in and get in there and got my registration done, got title. I'm all good to go. This thing's street legal, ready to get to work. I just got to get this thing all clean and nice, and then I got to go out and advertise. That's the plan. I'll see you at the car wash. All right, so I just got to the car wash. I'm at L Car Wash. I'll show you here in a minute. They have free vacuums. They got free air guns, so I can blow all this dirt and crap out of here. Try and get most of the stuff out of the blower motor and all the vents, because I know there is a bunch of stuff in there. And then they might have some cleaners of other sorts, so I can try and get these seats and other things. But I'll set up the tripod real quick in here and I'll start going at it. I'm gonna get this real clean so I can show you guys. I'll get some before and after pictures, so or some videos. So up cleaning up the interior a little. I know it's not much. I know I'm not a professional detailer. I'm not making this thing beautiful. I'm just making this thing so I can actually drive in it and not have to deal with the horrible smell of the mouse that was infesting this. So now I'm on my way to the last stop, going to the actual car wash. I'm gonna spray this thing off. I'm gonna get you guys a nice video of that. So, got these mats all done. They're all nice and clean. Got it all cleaned off. Got her looking good. Besides, obviously, the parts I can't fix. She's look real good. That paint though, it's like a mirror. You can see me. She's so nice. Even especially the hood. You can see me. Paint's real nice, so we missed a little spot. But you know, besides that, she looks real good. Can't complain. On her body, you know, it is what it is. Frame's all solid, that's what matters. But I gotta get these mats back in here. And that's the other side. Besides all my stuff in the way, but she's really not that bad. Cleaned up the dash, cleaned it up. Looks pretty good. I mean, I can't complain. This is gonna be a work truck. It's gonna be a lot of dirty stuff in here. So it's really, it's not like it's the end of the world. It doesn't have to be super clean and it's not show quality. But I'll get these mats in here for you guys real quick. Pretty sure I got them going the right way. I think they were in backwards when I first got it. So those are the mats. Get the other side going, and then she'll be good to go. Be on my way home. It's a little difficult one-handed, but hey, it's the other side. Real good. Man, dude, that paint, I wish it was like that all the way around, but we got, you know, we got some spots that need to work. But frame's real nice. Even the wheel well looks real good. But we do have some real bad rotting underneath here, so that takes some specialty work for a body work guy. But otherwise, I think she's real solid. She runs real well. Can't complain. Looks real good. That's probably gonna be the rest of this vid. Hopefully I'll have another vid coming out pretty soon after this. I gotta get the manifold on, and then I gotta start cleaning up this bed. I gotta get this thing all wire wheeled up and nice painted underneath. And then I would like to work on this frame some more. I'd like to get this frame real clean as well. And then maybe I'll have a video for advertising too, because I'm probably gonna have to go out, walk around. I already got business cards, some flyers and other things, so I might have to hop on that and do another vid. So I'll see you guys later. Give me a like, give me a follow. Appreciate you guys' support. If you guys have, I'll see you.